Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review AI images. It's a very unique tool. It will help you to enhance your videos and images. That means it will increase the resolution of your images and videos, and it works very fine. I have tested this tool previously, and if you see, it's an alternative of Adobe Photoshop and Topaz Labs. They are saying, but the tool will work in case of increasing your video resolution or your image resolution. And see, they're saying that AI images is an AI powered video and image enhancer that runs completely from your web browser, so you can edit from anywhere. And if you see the lifetime deal pricing of this tool, see here they are offering up to license tier 3, and you will get 10 GB video upload size, upload videos up to 2K in resolution, and upscale up to 4K. That means if you upload 2K resoluted videos, then you can upscale it up to 4K. Also, there have 10 uploaded and enhanced video slot, 15-second free previews, 3 AI filters at once, and enhanced up to 3 videos simultaneously. And what these AI filters are, I will show you after some time, guys. And see, on license tier 1 you will get 22 credits monthly, on license tier 2 you will get 55 credits monthly, and on license tier 3 you will get 110 credits monthly. I will show you how these credits will be calculated after some time, guys. Just wait some time, and all the features above will be included with all these features. So these are the things, guys. Now, without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of AI images and let's explore how things work here and how it can be helpful for us. This is the dashboard of AI images, guys. Here you can upload image and here you can upload videos. The dashboard is very clean and very minimal. And here in the upper right corner, you can see how much credit you have. And before exploring this feature, I want to show you the AI filters. If you see in the lifetime plan, if I show you again, there have 3 AI filters, right? So how these filters will work? See, there have different filters. See, there have video filters and image filters. Let's say here aqua filter. See, this is one type of filter. And then 200% AI upscaling. See, here the left hand side is not upscaled, but the right hand side is upscaled. I hope you can see, guys. And then this is 400% AI upscale. I hope you can see the resolution is increasing in right hand side. And then they have a smart denoise, and here you can remove the noise basically. I hope you get idea, guys. After that, they have videos, and in videos, see, they have 400% upscale, then decomposer. Then let me show you, guys. See, this is decomposer, and then they have noise reduction. If I select noise reduction, see, noises are. After that, they have deinterlacer. If I select it, then see, here also it's removing the some noise from here. I hope you can see, guys. See, it's removing some noise. And then they have a film cleaner. If I select it, then see, these noises will be cleaned. See, film cleaner. After that, they have tab prettify, and here if I select it, then see, it will be like that. I hope you can see that, guys. After that, they have dropouts buster, and here it will remove this buster signs basically. See, it's removing the dropouts buster sign. After that, they have color restorer, and here, see, it will restore the color. I hope you can see, guys. So in this way, the AI filters will work. Now I will explore the main dashboard. See, here I have image option and videos option. And at first, I will explore the images option, guys. Just go to this images, and here say I have already upscaled 2 images, but here let's say I will show you another image. Just click here, my device, and then upload your file. Let's say I will upload this first one, and then it will start to upscale. And see, here you can upscale it for 400 AI upscale. Then they have a smart denoise, they have aqua filter. You can select anyone from here basically. At first you have to select it, then here have free preview, and it will be watermarked. And if you want to get it without watermark, then it will cost you 0.40 credit. That means for image, in this way your credits will be calculated. So it's less than 1 credit, guys, for one image. See, it's ready to process. And so let's say I want to get this process without watermark. So if I click here, process without watermark, then the processing will start, and then it will take some time. Let's see how much time it will take. Let me open one stopwatch, guys. Here, one thing remember, guys, it's 0.7 megapixel, and after enhancing, how much it will increase, I'll show you. See, it's now 11.1 megapixel, guys. Previously, it was 0.7 megapixel only, but now it is 11.1. And see, it has taken almost 2 minutes, I think. So these are the things, guys. In this way it will work. Now if I try to download it, let me click here, download, and then see, this is the image. And if I show you the real image from my file, let me show you the real image. See, this is the real image, guys, and it's pixelated. See, it's little bit blurry here, but here in this section it's much cleaner, I think. So these are the things. If I keep it side by side, see, this is the real image and this is the enhanced image. So it will work like that. I hope you get idea, guys, and it has costed 0.40 credit. I hope you get idea. And similarly, see, it will increase the amount of megapixel here, and the increase amount is a lot, I think. 0.7 to 11 megapixel it has gone. So these are the things. I hope you get idea. And they have different format. You can save it as JPEG and PNG if you want. So these are the things. See, this two one I have selected as PNG, but the one that I have shown you here, I have taken it as JPEG. So you can save it in different format also. These are the things. I hope you get idea, guys, about this image enhancer option of this AI images. After that, they have videos. So if I go to this videos option, then here you have to upload the video. So I will upload one video. Let me upload, guys. Let's say this is one of my video, and then upload the file. And it's only 919 kilobyte video, guys. See, and I will show you how much time it will take. Let's say done, and then I will enhance it. Just click here, enhance, and then see, it will ask you to select your AI filters. See, there have different filters. You have to select which filter you want to use. Let's say I want to use this noise reduction, and see, it will cost 0.41 credit. And then if I, let's say I will select this 400% AI, it will cost me total 0.84 credit. And then I want to use, let's say, this decomposer. Total I will be need 1 credit, and it's only 13-second video, guys. Remember it, it's only 13-second video and 941 kilobyted video. These are the things, guys. You can get free 15-second preview from here, but I'll use the full processing, and I'll show you how much time it will take. Just click here, full process, and then it will start to enhance. I hope I'll see it. If I go to this in progress, see, it's in progress. Here another thing I want to say you, guys, this enhanced process will be run on their cloud. You do not have to keep open your um, device or your desktop. You can just upload these videos or images, and then you can just start the enhanced process, and then you can close your device. This enhanced process will be run and it will be done. You can download it whenever you need, basically, from here. So it has been done guys, and it has taken almost 9 minutes I think. So these are the things. I hope you get idea about this enhancement feature of video. And if you go to this enhanced option, then you will be able to see all your enhanced videos. And from here, if I download it, let me download it, and see it will be downloaded, and it's 26 megabyte. But the main video was only 990 kilobyte, 919 kilobyte to 26 megabyte. So it's a huge jump, right? So let me download it, and then let me play it. I hope you get idea guys. Now I will try to enhance this same video without using any filter guys. Let's see how it will happen. Just click here, upload video, and then if I upload this video and then upload the video. Okay, I have uploaded the same video previously, so I do not need to upload it again. So let me enhance it. Let's say I will not select these things. Okay, I have to select it. That means you have to select at least one filter from here. Let's say I will select only this 400% AI, and then now I will upscale it, and then let's see what will happen. I will see it in progress, and then it will be in progress. So now I will pause the video guys, so that your time do not kill, and then I will show you when it will be done. So it's done guys, and in this time it has taken more time than before. Now if I show you this video, see here, this video is now 28 megapixel. So let me download it. It's almost downloaded guys, and now I will play it, and then I will show you how much it will increase the resolution. See, this is the resolution. I hope you can see guys. And if I download this one, and then if I play it, then just let me play it guys. See, this is the enhancement that you can see. So these are the things. I hope you get idea guys how good the output of this AI images tool is. And if you think you need this type of tool for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this AI images lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of this deal in the description and in the comment section of this video. And you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing guys. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on AI images lifetime deal. And the tool is really amazing guys in case of increasing the resolution of image I think. But if you want to use it for video, then you have to test it, and after testing you have to decide that if it really works for you or not. These are the things guys. This is my mm, suggestion for you about this tool. The last thing is, if you think you really need this type of tool, then you can get this lifetime deal. I'll give the link of this deal in the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.